integral x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Add plus 1 and minus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. X square plus 1 minus 1. This minus 1 is this one. X square plus 1 dx. Split into two parts. X square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1. X square plus 1 from 0 to 1. Cancel 1. Integral of 1 equal to x minus 2 into tan inverse x from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Substitute the upper limit and also lower limit. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. 1 minus 2 into times 1 value pi by 4 minus lower limit value. Both are zeros. 2 table. 2 times cancel. 1 minus pi by 2. 1 minus pi by 2. Next. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by under root n square 1 by 1 minus n square plus 2 by 1 minus n square 3 by 1 minus n square plus n by 1 minus n square. Take LCM. Limit n tends to infinity. Denominator value 1 minus n square. Numerator value 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. n. All denominators are equal. So LCM 1 minus n square. Numerator sum of n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers equal to sigma n symbol. Sigma n formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So limit n tends to infinity n into n plus 1 by 2. This LCM is this one. So limit n tends to infinity n square plus n by 2 minus 2n square. 2 minus 2n square. See, given limit is infinity. Degree of the numerator 2. Degree of the denominator is also equal to 2 in the Junior limits chapter. So degree of the numerator, degree of the denominator are equal, then take their coefficients as answer. N square coefficient 1, n square coefficient minus 2. So answer is 1 by minus 2. 1 by minus 2. Next. Next, limit integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square by under root 1 plus sin 2x dx sin 2x dx. First simplify this function 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square by under root sin square x plus cos square x sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a dx integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square by denominator a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square sin x plus cos x whole square root 2 square cancel sin x plus cos x cancel. So take derivative integration formulas. Integral of sin x minus cos x integral of cos x equal to sin x from 0 to pi by 2. From 0 to pi by 2. So substitute upper limit minus 90 plus cos 90 value 1 minus of substitute upper limit lower limit cos 0 value 1 sin 0 value 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Next, integral 2 to 3. Integral 2 to 3. 1 by x square minus x dx. X square minus x dx 1 by take x common x into x minus 1 a by x b by x minus 1 put x value 0 put x value 0 1 by 0 minus 1 put x value 1 by 1. So integral minus 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 1 limits are 2 to 3. So integral of 1 by x log mod x plus log mod x minus 1 apply first upper limit minus log 3 plus log 2 upper limit value minus of lower limit value minus log 2 plus log 1. So finally minus log 3 plus 2 log 2 log 1 value 0. So log 4, 2 square 4 minus log 3 in the form of log m minus log n, log m minus log n, log m by n, log 4 by 3, log 4 by